How to write effective highlight statements is brought to you by the MBA internship team at Vancouver Island University. Each highlight statement must be relevant to the job posting in order to be effective. This means that the first step is to deconstruct the job posting. Here's a sample job posting for a project development coordinator that we will deconstruct. Highlight the main skills and keywords that you see in the posting. Look for major skill themes if you are using the skills-based resume format. In this example, some key themes are communication, including a variety of writing activities, public speaking, and presenting. Another major theme is project development and research. Your highlight statements should match the skills and experiences that the posting is asking for. This student has targeted her accomplishments to the posting, but her statements can be improved with some revisions. Let's review these statements one by one and explore some ways to improve them. This statement is too long for a highlight statement. The bolded part is the main content, which shows the accomplishment and result. Take a moment to read the first bullet. We can shorten this statement using only the high impact details. Also try to use keywords from the posting. Promotions and proposals were used in the posting, so this can be worked into the more effective statement. Developed a proposal for a gender marketing strategy implemented in 3 provinces of Vietnam. This statement should be split into 2 statements because there are 2 key points and it is too long. Take a moment to read the 2 statements. The revised statements reflect the job posting and omit extraneous detail. The revised statements independently designed program websites and brochures for microfinance tours and implemented advertising campaigns and tours resulting in a 7% increase in revenue are more effective, targeted statements. This statement just needs some streamlining to be effective and to relate to the posting. Take a moment to read the first statement. A more effective statement is developed English language workshops and weekly lessons for 30 Vietnamese college students. The skill statement is too detailed and the 99% satisfaction rating is difficult to prove over 5 institutions. Read over the first bullet. Notice that the improved statement is streamlined and more high impact. Over 6 years of leadership experience as a student ambassador in 5 post-secondary institutions. An education statement should always be included, and in this case, the posting specifically asked for a bachelor's degree in business or communications. Avoid generic phrases that don't have specific examples. Strong communicator is too generic. Show how you demonstrated this skill instead. Irrelevant statements should be avoided. Instead, create statements that relate to the job posting. Here are two examples of unspecific statements and edits of them that make them effective. Ability to work and multitask in a fast-paced and changing environment. This is too general. The improved statement, handled over 200 client interactions per day in a busy banking environment, is more detailed and specific. Never use good or other relative words like excellent, strong, or superior. Good knowledge of Microsoft Word and Excel, for example, is too generic. Advanced use of Microsoft Word and Excel to record and analyze financial data works in this revised statement because it is a level of skill, and note that the statement also tells what the skill was used for, to record and analyze financial data. The highlight section is the first impression that you present to a potential employer, so make sure it is targeted to each position that you apply to. Each statement must make an impact. The highlights should provide a snapshot of who you are and make the employer interested in you as a candidate.